What's up, everyone? Trent here at Precision Transmission, and yep, maintenance on the old daily driver, aka soon to be turbo truck. So we're a little behind on the build, but this guy is in the middle of buying a house. That would be me. So I'm very, very excited. We're supposed to be closing February 26th on the house. So congratulations to me. 28, 29. Me and my fiance have done it together to do this. So we're very excited to be moving in our house. But you know how that goes. Moving into a house, priorities means other things might have to wait just a little bit. So, but we're gonna try to keep this thing rolling. Today, I am changing spark plugs. I run an NGK G-Power T5. When we go turboed, we're gonna be running a T6, the NGK T6. So a little bit cooler plug for the turbocharger. So we're gonna get over here. Man, I love my truck. It looks black. People think it's black, but it's not black. It's actually blue. It's that metallic, dark, midnight blue, whatever you want to call it, but I love it. Looks purple and blue sometimes in the dark. Kind of see there. Well, we got old baby in there. Got some spark plugs that we're going to change. I'm going to show y'all what the timing mark looks like on them. So I run this thing about 27, 28 degrees on the floor, all the way to 7,000 RPM. It is a high lift cam. Got a bunch of stuff done to it. That's kind of a little bit on that. But we'll show you what the timing mark looks like. I think it's got about 30 to 40,000 miles on these spark plugs. So definitely time to change them. It's been out of town to Penwell, a couple road trips here and there, and then definitely a couple of hard pulls on her. So let's get this thing apart. Get some spark plugs out of the holes, see what we look like. Okay, so we've got the passenger side plugs out already. It's the hardest side to do, so might as well tackle that first. But man, I'm really happy with the way these plugs look. So I've got them marked. You can see 2, 4, 6, 8. And then you can see the timing marks on them here. Really nice. I mean, I'm babying this thing is what it's showing me. I do run 91 octane, nothing else. 91 only. I'm excited. This thing is nice. Got some titanium heat shields for our plug, or for our wires. Y'all guys get some titanium covers. Those things work really well. I've had them on there. They ain't corroded. They haven't done anything. I mean, they look pretty much originals since I put them on. So I definitely suggest those. Well, let's go to this driver's side over here. Unfortunately, I gotta put y'all down, but it won't take long. Y'all gotta stay tuned. Man, not bad at all. Not bad at all. This one looks a little wetter on the outside because I put some anti-seize on it the other day. Just pulling it out to look at it, see what it looked like, and I could definitely tell I needed to change the plugs in it. I think I had it missed on me one day is what it did. It went to lock up and I just felt it kind of miss just once. So just kind of knew it was time that my plugs were really fading. But we'll get this thing in here, get all the new ones in, go check these bad boys out. These are pre-gapped, so you don't have to check them or nothing. They should just go right on in. It is a platinum. Here, let me see, come on. So if you go to start messing with that, I can't get it to focus, but if you mess up the end of that electrode trying to check the gap, you could have issues. So be very, very, very careful checking the gap on these. And then this is what they come like in the package. Actually have a little sock on them right there, so pretty cool. All right, guys, let's get these bad boys in and get this bad boy started. Y'all gotta stay tuned. Vroom vroom. She lives all over again. That's what we like. Now let's drop y'all. So quiet until you rev it up. Beautiful Corvette. Not too shabby. I think I can deal. Hope y'all guys are maintaining y'all's vehicles. If you're not, you better go to the O'Reilly store, Advanced, wherever you prefer. Go get them car service, spark plugs, oil, transmission. Take care of your vehicles. It might last a little longer. I bet you don't miss any more. It sounds a lot better just by changing the plugs, I can tell you that. Just by driving it every day, listening to it every day. Just a set of plugs in a vehicle after 30, 40,000 miles makes a big difference. Don't mind those. Those are just from a gentleman. We did a trunnion upgrade on his truck as well. So if y'all guys need anything, go subscribe to the YouTube channel. Give us a shout. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss that. And it's going on that soon. Have a great day.